Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're exploring a truly special gift idea, perfect for anyone looking to celebrate meaningful friendships. This is the BORLESTA Best Friend Birthday Gift for Women. A beautifully hand-painted resin figurine designed to express love, friendship, and affection in a unique and heartfelt way. This exquisite friend statue captures the essence of close bonds between best friends, sisters, or any special women in your life. Crafted from high-quality natural resin, it stands about 5.7 inches tall, making it an ideal size for display on a shelf, desk, or any cherished spot in the home. The statue is hand-sculpted and hand-colored with remarkable attention to detail, ensuring each piece is unique and carries a personal touch. One of the standout features of this figurine is the subtle engraving on the dress, which reads, "You're the sister I got to choose." This simple yet powerful message speaks volumes about the strength and beauty of chosen family and friendship, making it a deeply meaningful gift. Whether you are celebrating a birthday, Christmas, Thanksgiving, or just want to show appreciation for someone special, this piece serves as a lasting symbol of your relationship. The design is elegant and versatile, fitting well with a variety of home decor styles. Its resin material is durable and easy to clean, so it can be enjoyed for years without losing its charm. Because it's hand-painted, no two statues are exactly alike, which adds to the value and sentiment of the gift. This friend statue is not only a decorative item but also a keepsake that carries emotional significance. It reminds the recipient of the loving connection shared and the moments spent together. It's a thoughtful alternative when you want to give something beyond words, something that visually represents a bond. Ideal for gifting to best friends, sisters, or anyone who holds a special place in your heart, this figurine celebrates the joy of friendship with grace and sincerity. The compact size and fine craftsmanship make it a cherished addition to any space, symbolizing love and support in a beautiful and artistic way. If you are searching for a meaningful gift that conveys your feelings in a simple, elegant, and timeless manner, the BORLESTA Best Friend Birthday Gift figurine is an excellent choice. It's a keepsake that communicates your affection and appreciation, making it a perfect present for the special women in your life. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in thoughtful, heartfelt gifts, this friend statue is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more product insights.